Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a new function, another type of reciprocal function called what I call the reciprocal squared function. So this is the function 1 over x squared. Okay, so 1 over x squared behaves a little bit differently. Notice that since it's squared, all the values are positive. It has no negative values. So in other words, it takes the, if you want to think about it this way, it takes the part of the 1 over x, the reciprocal function, the piece that was over here, and flips it above the x-axis. Okay, so now it looks like this as a graph. Okay, so a couple of things, some characteristics. The domain. The domain is, again, just like the reciprocal function, everything except 0. Okay, so this is the domain. The range, on the other hand, since it's non-negative, or can't be 0 and it can't be negative, this is a positive function. So the range is everything from 0 to positive infinity. Okay? And again, if you think about the behavior, just like we did with the reciprocal function, as you get closer and closer and closer to 0, right? This is positive. It's always going to be positive, but as you get closer and closer to 0, what's going on? The value of the function is increasing dramatically. It's going off to positive infinity. And as x goes to positive infinity, again, as x goes to positive infinity, well, x squared is going to positive infinity even faster. Okay? So that means this thing is heading off to 0 very quickly in both directions. Okay? And hence we get this graph. Also, notice that it has a vertical asymptote at 0 and a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. And it goes to the points 1, 1 and negative 1, 1. Okay, so again, just keep that in mind. Also, it increases as you go from negative infinity to 0. It's an increasing, right? Increasing here. But then from 0 to positive infinity, it's a decreasing function, so it decreases. So we get those two intervals for increasing and decreasing. Of course, it's discontinuous at x equals 0 because of the vertical asymptote. And this is an even function. So notice that it's symmetric with respect to the y-axis. So this is an even function. Okay? And again, you could show that by replacing x with negative x, and you see that you end up with the same function back. Okay? And those are the main characteristics of the reciprocal squared function. Or a squared reciprocal function, however you want to say it. Okay, but that's it. So we'll do an example of graphing these two. Okay, have a great day.